The best part about these pigments is how they mix into hard gel. You could completely transform your building gel into something that looks absolutely amazing. What we're going to do is we're going to take the gold and emerald pigments, we're going to blend them to make the perfect mix, and then we're going to actually take different components and create a marbled rock look. What I'm going to do is begin by actually taking just a scoop of build and put it into two separate piles. Now remember, the pigment goes a long way. So what we want to be able to do is just get a small scoop, and you'll notice as soon as I press it in, it transforms your gel into something magical. The pigment can be mixed into any gel to create that incredible gold-like look. I'm going to go ahead and scoop this up, set it to the side. I'm going to take a little bit of the emerald, and we're going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to lightly press it in, and then just kind of work it out like butter on toast. Absolutely beautiful. Once we mix out our color, we are going to apply it on top of whatever enhancement you decide to put it on, whether it's hard gel or acrylic. Just remember one thing, make sure you have a rough surface. What we're going to do is apply protein bond to the top. You don't want it too smooth because you don't want it to chip away. So remember, you just want to be able to have a nice prep surface for the enhancement to stick to. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our gold mix and we're going to apply a really nice coat from cuticle to free edge. Just like that. We're going to get inside our light, and we're going to let that cure out. Remember, you're going to work all 5 fingers, get inside the light, then switch to the other hand. Once it sets, you're going to take it out of the light and immediately come in with your green emerald mix. We're going to put a nice thin coat from cuticle to free edge. Once we apply a nice thin coat of the emerald over the gold, we're now going to take our imagination art brush. And what I'm going to do is carve a line through the side. Once you're done doing that, we're going to get it inside the light and let it cure. Once the green cures, we are now going to take our kaleidoscope gel in black. We're going to take our detailer brush. I'm going to highlight the edges. And again, what I like to do is just kind of run the paint along the sides. You could always go back, you could always go back and clean it up to make it a lot sharper. point, once we actually highlight the edges to make the lines sharper, we're going to get it inside the light and cure it. Once the black sets, we're going to lay in a few pieces of the gold foil in between, just to highlight the edges. I'm going to take the finish gel, apply a nice coat from cuticle to free edge, and get it inside the light for a minimum of 2 minutes. Once it cures inside the light for 2 minutes, we're going to take our rose oil and condition the cuticle area. As you can see, create a marble type look.